welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video, you clicked on here to see a room tour.
Fendi and Adana, Karen, they be sharing all their money, got me wearing fly. Girl, but I ain't asking.
When you walk in, this is what it looks like. Let me close the door. So this, I'll tell y'all where that's gonna go, but since I'm showing y'all this area, that's where my dog leash mask are at and other stuff. This was on my birthday a couple years ago. You know, this was on my birthday like this year. I mean like last year. Again, since it's 2020, and it's just decorations and all that. I was thinking of putting this other Marilyn Monroe right here. You know, you get the fit, you get the drip. Right here, I got my track blues, my eyelashes, and some pictures. And the jewelry boxes. Let me tell y'all, when I was in 8th and 7th grade, I was obsessed with chokers. I do not wear chokers no more, but I remember back to those days when I did. I don't know if I'll start wearing them again. Then I have bracelets, which I never wear. Bracelet, and then nothing in there. There used to be jewelry in there, but there's not. And it's a little mirror. Okay, right here, it's a little bit messy. Allergy medicine, rose water. Got this a couple Christmases ago, and then hand sanitizers. And then this right here is where my nose piercings was at, which I hope to get another nose piercing again. Not nose piercing, get repairs. And then here goes my fabulous jewelry. That goes to my hoodie. I gotta put it and fix it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And I want to get some more globes, so like snow globes, like places that I travel, because I'll show you over here. Here goes me, period. Right here we got the perfumes, and then places that I have visited. I have not visited these two places. Well, technically, if you want to say this one, because I was in my mom's stomach, so we just gonna say. And yeah, here goes my beautiful mom right there. There goes me in the mirror. There goes my mom. Then right here is me and my boo thing, you know. And this is what my nana gave me. It's just, let me try to do it with one hand. Never mind, I can't do it. It's really pretty. I haven't worn it yet. Well, I want to get outfits to match it, but it's really cute. And right here, we just got a whole bunch of socks. It's ridiculous because I still can't find socks. Like, I want no-show socks. I want to buy a lot of those, and hopefully I can get them this year. And then it's just clothes, my underwear drawer, my, I don't know, shirts. These two are short shirts. My shirts, and then pants and pants. So yeah, moving over here. We got a camera, we got toilet paper just to hide from y'all. There goes more jewelry right here. I don't really wear these kind of jewelry, but I just have them. And then there goes my makeup. There's nothing in this one. I hate that this gets stuck. This little wax burner. And then this is my dog's stuff, his bad stuff. He ran away today. And then right here, I just have Polaroid pictures. I'm gonna cut it on for y'all. Hang on. And this cuts on. I want to get more and like fill it in all the way down and up too, but that's the plan. Okay, let me cut it off. As you can tell, this is a TV, pretty obvious. Oh, and also those are pictures of me and my boo. I might take them down and move them somewhere else. I'm not sure yet. We got cords, my dog's toy, there goes my toes, and a cable thing. I don't even watch cable. I don't know why it's in here, but my PlayStation's on. Then we have random stuff here, like school stuff and things you can put pictures in, but I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. And then this thing has my bows when I was a kid. And then here goes some wires. I don't know why the wire, what is, yeah, I don't know why it's there. Okay, maybe right here. There's normally a mirror right here, but it's over at my vanity. This is, yeah. But anyways, let me move my fan because it's hot in my room and I need it. So right here we got all the wipes, makeup wipes, feminine wipes. You right now. This is miscellaneous stuff. My toothpaste, my toothbrush, all that stuff. And then my Polaroid camera. Right here, my body wash, my shampoo, conditioner, and all that stuff. And then my face wash. And then a bunch of hair products. This is gonna be hard to put in. Okay. And some palettes. These are all the palettes I got. It's kind of sad. I want more makeup, you know. Then speakers. Okay, let me move the fan. Okay, right here is where I have all the pictures that I printed out. I'm gonna give y'all a code. This is not sponsored. It's just whenever you get an account, you actually, like, once you use your free photos for the month, it gives you like a code to invite people. So yeah, I'm gonna need y'all to do that for me, please. It's free print, so yeah. This is Marilyn Monroe. Just Marilyn Monroe, because you know she heard. And right here I just got my glasses, my drink that I had earlier, and then the little wall scent things, and a bottle of water because we gotta stay hydrated. Ooh, and it kind of spilled. There goes my bras. This is just random stuff. I can't believe y'all peep the toes, because they're really cute. Ain't gonna lie. Then right here, here's my bed. As y'all can see, there goes my dog. He ran away. He kind of bad, but he's back now, as you can tell. But anyways, this is my room. This is, I don't even know what you call this. I really don't know what you call this, but it's just, I don't know. I really don't know, so I'm just not gonna even say it. But I know most people know what it is, so if you do, you know, correct me. Okay, right here is just the other side. That was that side, now it's this side. We got Frank Ocean. I want to get another poster, but of Tupac right there. Just two posters, as you can see. And then my LED lights. And then right here, look kind of scandalous. This is a mirror. I mean, it's pretty obvious, but I hate how my sweatpants are coming up. Oh well. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get pictures all around here, but I'm broke, so it's gonna be a while. Okay, moving on. There goes the closet. Closet ain't really that special. It's very, let me show you how my shoes, ooh, I don't know if y'all can see, but my shoes are just piled up because I don't know how else to keep them. And yeah, it's kind of sad I have more shirts than pants, but it's all good in the hood. And then here's my vanity. I got a bottle of water and then some aloe vera. And I did my makeup today, so this is normally over there where you see that little shelf at in the middle. Then right here is all my brushes. I want to get more because it's just like, ooh, what is that? Okay, I don't know what that is, but anyways. And then this drawer just has random things, hair brushes and all that. And then this is it, but let me show you up here. So those are the two decorations I have up there. Remember the beginning of the video? This is where I want to put it at, on top of there. Let me show y'all. Like this, right above here. Ooh, it's kind of heavy, But yeah, that's how I want to do it. And